Introduce Vice Chair Ted Lieu.
Thank you, Chairman Aguilar. The murder of Charlie Kirk was horrific, despicable, and unacceptable. Last week's killing of Mr. Kirk was also part of a broader trend of political violence in our country. Last month, Minnesota Representative Melissa Hortman and her husband Mark were killed in a politically motivated attack, and State Senator John Hoffman and his wife Yvette were shot and wounded. In April, the Pennsylvania governor's mansion was set on fire in an attempted assassination while Governor Josh Shapiro and his family were celebrating Passover. A few years ago, a plot was uncovered to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer. We've also seen horrific political violence targeted toward President Trump, Speaker Pelosi and her husband, Majority Leader Steve Scalise, Gabby Giffords, and several other political leaders and judges in the last decade. While political disagreements are a part of democracy, they are never, ever acceptable pretext for harming others. Political violence is never acceptable. In our caucus today, there was a lot of discussion about health care, and under the Republican policies and Trump's policies, healthcare costs are rising. Under the big, ugly law, we've got $500 billion set to be cut in Medicare. Millions of people will be thrown off Medicaid, and ACA premiums are set to rise. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, for example, if you are a couple, 60 years old, and you make over $85,000 a year, your premiums will rise over $1,500 a month. That's over $18,000 annually. In addition, people who are on employer-based health coverage, their premiums are also going to rise because guess what? When you don't cover people, they still get sick, they still go to the emergency room, and they still get treated, and then those costs get passed to people who have health insurance coverage. So we're asking Republicans and Donald Trump to reverse their policies that are increasing people's health care costs.